Hey guys, welcome to M Square. I'm Rockin' Cutie and today we are gonna be shopping. We're gonna be cooking okra curry. Now what we'll be needing is as many okras that you want. So I'm gonna be taking, let's see, this one right here. You have to cut the ends and the front part because no one wants to eat bad stuff. So let me cut that. If you have a small plastic knife, you can do it yourself, but if you have metal knives, please be supervised by a parent guardian. Now we're going to be putting these right over here, and then after we're going to be cleaning up our space. We cut the ends and the fronts. Now we're just going to cut individuals, and not too small or not too wide. It's just going to be something like this, about a finger thick, or my finger thick. And now you're just going to keep on cutting them, and let's see, put them off to the side. To take the cut masterpiece and we're going to use this plate and we're just going to put them on here. Please wash your hands for this part. Now we're going to be cutting onions. You might want a parent or guardian to cut them for you because it can burn your eyes. So you're going to cut it this way and then the other way. There you go. Now we're going to cut the green chili into 3 sections. Going to do 1 and 2. If you do not like spicy, then you can not even put a green chili. It's optional. Now, before we even start, let me tell you about what we're going to be doing. We're going to put the green chilies aside, and we're going to be smashing ginger and garlic. 2 garlics and 1 small tiny ginger. Now I'm just going to put these aside, and I'm going to take the 2 cloves, and I'm just going to put them inside, and I'm going to start crushing. Okay. Now we got a little crush. Don't crush them too much, just a little crush, and we're just going to put them down, and let's go on to the next step. Now, the next step, we're going to take this ginger, and we are also going to crush it. Alrighty, we have this crushed ginger. When we crush it, we take out all the juices, and well, then it becomes tasty in our beautiful curry. Now we're just going to be cutting tomatoes into square pieces, and then we're going to take everything onto this plate right here. Okay, so I'm going to cut the tomato into a half, and then we're going to cut these halves into another half. Now I'm just going to line them like this, and I'm going to cut these into another. Now we're going to have this, and we're going to scoop these up, and we're just going to put it in this plate right here. Doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, now the next stop, we're going to go to the stove, a fun and dangerous place. Remember, you have to ask your parent guardian or make them watch you. And then you're going to put it around. Also, we're gonna put the stove on a medium high. Now I have tampered seeds, and we're going to use a pinch of each. So we're gonna have a pinch of these black ones, and we're gonna put them in, and a pinch of these doll, another doll, this one, and then we're gonna put a small red chili, like this one. Now we're gonna put them in, and we're gonna put that small red chili in. Chilies that we scooped up, and we're just going to carefully put them in. Then we're also gonna put these tomatoes, and I'm just gonna after you put them in, you want to give this a little mix because, well, you don't want only some other stuff touching. And we're also going to put these, the ones that we cut up earlier. We're going to use this because I'm a little bit too scared to touch. And please make sure a parent or guardian is doing it or watching you. And yes, some can fall. Now I'm going to use a spatula, and I'm going to scoop it, make it go different areas, and please don't put your face next to it too much, or else, well, it's going to get on your face. Then just going to put it on low, be mixing and mixing and mixing with this, and then I'm going to take a little bit of some turmeric, and we're going to put just a little bit right inside to give it a little bit of some flavor and some nice smelly tasty. Then I'm going to add a pinch, 2 pinches actually, of salt. Let's see. 1 pinch and 2 pinch. Then I'm going to be mixing and mixing and then I'm going to put the right lid on. Ask your parent guardian to take the lid off because it can be very hot. And do not touch with bare fingers. Then you're going to sprinkle the cilantro. And ta-da! It is ready. Now it can be served. Give it a quick mix, and then we can be off to serving it. Now it's all complete. Enjoy your curry with rice. Please subscribe. See you next time.